English is not difficult. Welcome, my friend, a true warrior on the journey to master English. Today I want to tell you something small, but if you truly listen, it might change your entire future. Are you ready? English is not difficult. Sounds familiar? But this time, I'm not saying it to motivate you. I'm saying it because it's true. You can speak English fluently, you can communicate confidently, and you can do it much faster than you ever imagined. I know, maybe you've tried many times before. You've memorized hundreds of words. You've done grammar exercises. You've listened to podcasts, watched videos, read books. But when it's time to actually speak, you hesitate, you freeze, you go silent. You're afraid of making mistakes, afraid of being laughed at, afraid of being judged. And then you give up. I understand, because I was once just like you. I tried to learn a new language and felt like I wasn't smart enough, not fast enough, not confident enough. But then I realized something. The problem isn't that English is too hard. The problem is that our beliefs are wrong. We were taught the wrong way. We were told that English takes years to learn, that we need perfect grammar, that we must speak without mistakes. All those ideas only create fear and pressure. Today, I'm here to help you break those old beliefs. You don't need to study like a scholar. You don't need to be perfect to begin. And most importantly, you are not alone on this journey. You only need one thing. Believe that you can. Because you truly can. And you will. Learn English naturally, just like a child learns to speak power. Pause for a moment. Take a deep breath and wipe away everything that once made English feel difficult. Forget those complicated grammar rules. Forget the need to speak perfectly. Forget the fear of mistakes, the fear of judgment, the fear of not being good enough. Because guess what? The reason you can't speak fluently is not because you lack knowledge. It's because of fear. Fear of being wrong. Fear of being laughed at. Fear of failing. But let me ask you this. How did you learn your native language? Did you study grammar books? No. Did you memorize long vocabulary lists? Not at all. You learned by listening, copying, making mistakes, and then trying again. You learned by living with the language. And that, my friend, is exactly how you will learn English now. Not by studying it, but by absorbing it, by listening more, by copying what you hear, by enjoying the rhythm, the sound, the magic of it. So from today, don't just learn English. Live with English. Let it become a part of your daily life, like breathing, like laughter, like dreams. Change your mindset. English is easy. Stop thinking English is hard. Listen closely, my friend. Your belief decides your speed. If you keep thinking English is so hard, your brain will fight back. It will look for excuses. It will shut down your confidence. But if you start to believe that English is easy, you'll unlock a new power within you. You'll learn faster, more naturally, and you'll start to enjoy the journey. Remember how a baby learns to walk? They fall down over and over again. But do they quit? No. They get up, they try again and again. And eventually, the baby walks, as if it was never hard at all. Say it loud with me. English is easy. I can speak English. I'm learning and improving every day. From today, never say, my English is bad. Instead say, I'm learning and improving every day. This small shift in thinking will make a huge difference. Bring English into your daily life. You don't need to live abroad to be good at English. Create an English environment right where you live, in every moment of your daily life. One simple yet effective way is to change your phone language to English. Every time you look at your phone screen, the English words will start to feel more familiar. Don't worry, you'll learn quickly. Start thinking in English. Don't keep translating from your native language in your head. Begin with simple sentences such as, I am brushing my teeth. I am making tea. The weather is nice today. Talk to yourself in English. Stand in front of a mirror and try these sentences. Hello, how are you? I have a lot to do today, but I feel great. Additionally, you can label objects in your house in English. Write words like mirror, table, cup, book, and read them out loud every time you see them. For example, this is a cup. I drink tea from this cup. All of these small steps, even though simple, will help your brain automatically recognize and absorb English. Just practice regularly and you'll be amazed at the results. Don't worry about grammar. Many people think that they need to master grammar in order to speak English, but this is completely wrong. Learn like children do. Listen a lot, speak a lot, and grammar will come naturally to you. Children don't study grammar theory. They learn by listening and repeating. Instead of diving into grammar theory, just start with simple sentences like, I am eating. She is going to the market. They are playing football. Listen, repeat, memorize, speak out loud. That's the effective way to learn. Remember, learning to speak is like playing the guitar. You can't get good just by reading books or studying theory. You must practice every day to improve. Just keep practicing and you'll see progress. Use the power of repetition. Don't try to learn too many things at once. Don't watch one video and then move on to another. Instead, pick one simple content and then listen to it 10 times. Repeat the sentences over and over. Record your voice, then listen back and correct your mistakes. Repetition is the best way to remember things for the long term and speak naturally. The more you repeat, the more fluent and confident you will become. Keep practicing and improvement will follow. Watch English videos every day. But don't watch videos that are too difficult. Choose videos made for learners, spoken slowly and clearly. First time watching with subtitles. Next time without subtitles. Finally, try to speak along with the video using the shadowing technique. Shadowing equals listen and speak at the same time, helps you think and speak English quickly and naturally. Learn how native speakers really speak. For example, don't say, I do not know. Say, I don't know or dunno. Don't say, let us go. Say, let's go. Don't say, I am going to. Say, I'm gonna. Learn these phrases from movies, TV shows, YouTube, then write them down, practice, and use them every day. You need someone to talk to. If you have a friend who is also learning English, agree to speak only in English when you meet. This helps you practice and build the habit of communicating in English every day. If you don't have a study partner, don't worry. You can find someone through English learning apps, join online study groups, or become part of English-speaking communities. The important thing is to create opportunities to speak and practice regularly. Don't hesitate to communicate, because speaking is the key to boosting your confidence and making rapid progress in learning English. Thinking in English is the secret to fluency. Start describing your life in English in your mind. I'm getting out of bed. I'm eating breakfast. I'm going to school. At first, it will be hard, but stay persistent. After some time, you won't need to translate anymore. Thinking in English allows your brain to naturally process the language and will make speaking and understanding much easier. Keep practicing, and soon English will become your second nature. Embrace mistakes. They're your best teacher. Let's face it, Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers. You didn't learn your first language perfectly from the start, right? It's the same with English. Mistakes are not something to fear, but something to learn from. Instead of saying, "My English is bad," say, "I'm improving every single day. I'm learning." And that's the most important thing. When you have a positive mindset and focus on your growth, you'll gain more confidence and your progress will be even faster. So don't worry about being perfect. Just keep practicing and watch yourself grow. Perseverance is everything. You don't need to study for hours every day, just 15 minutes. That's it. A small commitment, but done consistently. Imagine this. Every day you lay one brick. It may seem small, but over time, those bricks build something powerful. After just 3 to 6 months, you'll look back and be amazed at how far you've come. The key is not in intensity, but consistency. It's about showing up every single day, even when it's tough. Keep building. Keep pushing forward. Before you know it, you'll be speaking English with confidence, and it will feel effortless. Your progress is inevitable, as long as you don't stop. So take a deep breath, commit to those 15 minutes, and let the journey unfold. You've got this. Finally, remember that learning English is not a race, but a journey. Never give up, even when you face challenges or feel discouraged. Every small step forward counts, and with persistence, you will see noticeable progress. If you found today's lesson helpful, don't forget to like, share to spread this motivation to others, and make sure to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the next videos. Let's learn and grow together every day. Wishing you success, and remember, you can totally do it.